This is the Yo Home Sperm Test, the perfect device for you and your partner to get started on your pregnancy journey. Let's see the contents that come in a Yo2 test kit. The kit is neatly packaged to keep the components organized. All the accessories are tucked firmly to keep them protected. Let's see what we've got here. We have a brochure of helpful tips. We have the instructional manual. We have the Yo device itself. It's compact and lightweight. When powered, the Yo logo will light up blue. In this 2 test kit version, you will receive 2 clear collection cups to collect the sample. And in this little box labeled slides, we have 2 bags, each containing a slide, a pipette, and the pink powder. The Yo Home Sperm Test Kit is available in 2, 4, and 6 kit versions. Lastly, we have the USB power cable that will power the Yo device. Now that we have what we need, let's get started. And don't forget, you can always visit our website for more information.